Well, hello there, science fans. Consider this. You are not just a magnificent human being, you are a walking, talking ecosystem. Scientists have found that bacterial cells in your body outnumber your human cells. You're basically a well-dressed home for trillions of tiny critters. It's a microbial metropolis in there, and you're the mayor. These bacteria, most of them are your pals. They've set up shop inside you, mostly in your gut, and they're paying rent by doing all sorts of amazing jobs. Think of it like this. Your body is a super cool science lab, and these bacteria are the tiny, super efficient lab assistants working around the clock. They are active participants, influencing all sorts of things, from how you digest to maybe even why you felt so chipper this morning. It's a symbiotic relationship. You help them, and they help you. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not alone. You're looking at a superorganism, a human bacterial hybrid of sorts. This bustling world within us is a frontier of scientific discovery, and understanding it can unlock so many secrets to our health and well-being. We're talking about a fundamental part of what makes you, well, you. Alright, so we've established you're a bacterial superstar. But what do we call this internal fan club? Scientists call it the gut microbiome. Fancy, eh? Let's break that down. Micro means tiny, biome means a community of living things. So, microbiome is basically the community of tiny living things, mostly bacteria, chilling out in your digestive system, especially your intestines. It's like a microscopic garden, flourishing deep inside you with all sorts of different species doing their own unique things. It's a bustling city, full of life and activity, all carefully organized. Where do these little guys come from, you ask? Great question. You start collecting your personal bacterial crew right from the moment you're born. As you pass through the birth canal, you get your first big dose. Then more come from your mother's milk, from the food you eat, the air you breathe, and even from cuddling your pets. Every handshake, every new food, every romp in the park can introduce new members to your microbial family. It's like your gut is constantly recruiting, building its own diverse and dynamic team. It's a lifelong collection process, which is pretty neat. Think of your gut microbiome as the most exclusive yet incredibly crowded party happening inside you. There are trillions of guests. Some are a bit rowdy, some are super helpful, and the key is keeping a good balance. You want more of the good guys, the helpful bacteria, to keep things running smoothly. It's all about diversity too. The more different types of helpful bacteria you have, the stronger and more resilient your inner ecosystem becomes. It's like having a party with guests who can all do different cool tricks, making the whole event much more fun and functional for everyone involved. And the numbers are just staggering. We're talking about hundreds, maybe even thousands of different species of bacteria in there. Each one has its own special job. Some are like tiny construction workers, building essential things for your body. Others are like little recyclers, breaking down stuff you can't digest on your own. It's a complex and fascinating world, more intricate than the most complicated bit of machinery you can imagine. These aren't just random bugs. They are an organized, vital part of your biology, working in concert to keep you going strong. So, what's the big deal about these microscopic organisms? Well, they're not moochers at all. They're more like personal chefs, janitors, and bodyguards all rolled into one. One of their biggest jobs is helping you digest your food, unlocking extra nutrients. These amazing bacteria are also like tiny vitamin factories, synthesizing essential vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins. It's a brilliant bit of biological teamwork, a true win-win situation for both you and your internal crew. Your gut microbiome plays a super important role in training your immune system, helping it learn what to attack and what to leave alone. There's a super highway of communication between your gut and your brain, called the gut-brain axis. Your gut bacteria can produce neurotransmitters, the same chemicals your brain uses to regulate mood and emotions. So, the state of your gut microbiome can actually influence how you feel, your stress levels, and even your cravings. Isn't science amazing? This invisible world inside us, this bustling city of bacteria, is doing so much to keep us ticking. From digesting our lunch to influencing our mood, these tiny organisms have a massive impact on our daily lives. Learning about them is like discovering a hidden superpower you never knew you had. Science is learning more about this incredible connection every single day, uncovering new ways these microbes shape our health and our world. Taking care of your gut microbiome is a pretty smart move, eh? Think of it like tending to that microscopic garden we talked about. You want to provide the right conditions for the good guys to flourish. The main thing is to appreciate this incredible internal ecosystem and be curious about how it all works. the science of the microbiome is still a relatively new and rapidly evolving field. There are so many more secrets to uncover about these powerful little partners. Want to keep your brain buzzing with more awesome science like this? Then you've got to check out BrightFacts. We're all about sharing the coolest, most mind-blowing facts about science, nature, and the universe, all in a fun and easy-to-understand way. Follow us, support us, and join our community of curious minds. BrightFacts is your friendly guide to exploring it, so keep learning, keep questioning, and keep being amazing you and all your brilliant bacteria.